Assalamualaikum and hi guys, so today we're from group 1 are going to present to you diet problems. So let us meet the group members first. Linear programming can be used to solve questions on matching diets to nutritional and other additional constraints with a minimal amount of changes. Linear programming is a mathematical technique that allows the generation of optimal solutions that satisfy several constraints at once. Linear programming has been used in many developing countries to assess to what extent economic constraints contribute to the nutrition problems. As in our linear programming application for this report, we choose to solve a diet problem. By using linear programming to solve the problem, this study is aimed to develop a healthy and balanced menu with minimal cost and accordance to the individual needs that could in return help to ease the burden of financial problem and providing the best healthy meal for the teenagers.
Our problem statement for this project is about a nutrition coach named Lionel wants to organize a program about healthy lifestyle. He wants to provide a breakfast that fulfills all the nutrition needed by teenagers. Since the target participant for this activity is teenagers, the breakfast must be high in calories, fiber, fat, carbs, and low in fat and sugar. He also wants to minimize the cost of making the breakfast. He also chosen a few possible foods which can provide all the nutrition needed, especially for the teenagers, and the cost of all the menu for the breakfast as shown in the following table beside. On the picture shown, this is our linear programming or LP model. We can see there are 6 variables stand for each meal for the fitness program. As our problem statement before state that our project is using minimization. This is because Lionel needs to minimize the cost to produce the meal for healthy breakfast. So we have built the constraint based on the question or the problem statement. It contains 6 constraints, which is calories, protein, carbohydrate, fiber, sugar, and fat. Our non-negativity is more than 0.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is AISYAH NADHIRAH BINTI ZURAIMI and my metric number is 284285. I'm gonna talk about the solution for Excel for our diet problem. Based on the solution for Excel that we had already did before, the minimum cost that Lionel can get for this breakfast menu is 3 ringgit and 75 cents, which contain of a cup of rolled oat, 1/4 slice of wheat toast, and 1/4 cup of fresh milk. The calorie intake for breakfast menu that we got also fulfilled the requirement that Lionel wants. The breakfast menu contains of 397 calories with 36.25 gram of protein, 40 gram of carbohydrates, 10 gram of sugar, 16.25 gram of fiber, and 22 gram of fat. Based on the sensitivity report that we got from the Excel solution before, we see that all of the variable and foods has its own allowable increase and allowable decrease. For the 1E plus 30, it means the allowable increase for the constraint is infinity. This is the Excel's way to show the infinity value. This also means that the right-hand side can be increased any amount without changing the shadow price. Next, for the table of constraint below, we can see that the shadow price for sugar and fat are negative. It can be interpreted as the rate of improvement in the optimal objective function value as the right-hand side of the constraint increase with all other data held fixed. To conclude, linear programming could be useful in assisting with the development of dietary guidelines that meet all nutritional criteria. Linear programming was also shown to be a useful method for deliberately converting predetermined nutrient limits into diets with variable food combinations. Linear programming allows us to recommend diets with fewer environmental impact than diet scenario research.